Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're very welcome. And to all my amazing returning subscribers, thank you so much for your love and support. Before we get started, please take a second to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of my delicious recipes and food adventures. Now, let's dig into these beautiful crabs. They look absolutely delicious, don't they? Wow. The meat is so sweet, juicy, and full of flavor. If you've never tried fresh crab before, you're really missing out. Did you know that crab is not only tasty, but also packed with amazing health benefits? Crab is an excellent source of high-quality protein, which helps build and repair muscles. It's also rich in omega-3 fatty acids that support heart health and brain function. Crab contains important minerals like zinc, which helps strengthen your immune system, and selenium, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your body's cells. It also provides vitamin B12, which is essential for healthy nerves and red blood cells. One thing I love about crab is that it's satisfying without being overly heavy, making it a great choice for a balanced meal when enjoyed in moderation. This bite is so good. What's your favorite way to eat crab? Do you like it spicy, grilled, steamed, or cooked in a rich sauce? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes and food content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy eating and stay blessed.